Here's our little Craftsman 3.5 horsepower Tecumseh motor rear bagger. Replaced the bulb on it. New spring. Cleaned up everything in the carburetor. Blew it out with an air pressure nozzle. Pulled the exhaust off. Cleaned that up. There was a whole bunch of carbon in there. It's got the same air filter on it. Cleaned out the gas tank and then pressure washed the whole thing. And it pops a little bit, but I think I have to adjust that spring. But that's probably the issue with it. Idling way too fast. Anyway, free mower. Gotta love the free mowers.